Welcome to Part 8 of our training series on sacramental record keeping in the Archdiocese of Seattle. In this session, we're covering what to do when a sacramental record is missing. A missing record can be created after the fact, but only with the right documentation and verification. Let's take a look at when and how that process works. Issues with missing entries usually comes up when someone requests their sacramental certificate and the parish discovers there's no record on file. This can happen for two reasons. Either the sacrament was never recorded due to a clerical error, or the register was lost or damaged beyond recovery. In either case, a new record can be created, but only with verified proof that the sacrament actually took place. Let's look at the types of evidence that can be used to support a recreated record. The strongest form of evidence is a signed witness affidavit from someone who was present at the sacrament, such as a parent, godparent, or the presiding cleric. The Archdiocese Archives provides affidavit templates for every sacrament except marriage, since marriage affidavits are not permitted. You can find these affidavits on our website, use the QR code on screen, or check the link in the description area of this video, and then just scroll down until you see the affidavit form. In some cases, especially with teens or adults, there might be no living witness to the sacrament. When that happens, we can accept a formal signed letter from the person whose record is missing if they were old enough at the time to have detailed, reliable memories. The letter should include as much information as possible about their sacramental preparation, who led it, where and when it took place, and what they remember about the sacrament itself. Your pastor should review the letter, weigh the information, and decide whether to accept it as sufficient proof for creating a new record. Another form of evidence is official documentation, such as a civil or canonical certificate confirming the sacrament. For example, someone seeking to recreate their confirmation record might have a certificate from their baptismal parish noting the sacrament. These official records help confirm that the sacrament took place, but they must be reviewed carefully to ensure accuracy. Photos or videos may be accepted as proof of a sacrament if they clearly show the event, but you'll need to review them on a case-by-case basis. Ask yourself, is it clear what sacrament is taking place? Can you tell it's your parish? Is the minister identifiable? If details are unclear and no other documentation is available, consult your pastor or the chancery for guidance before recording the sacrament. Once the evidence has been reviewed and verified, you're ready to create a new entry in the register. Make sure to create and index the record like you normally would, then issue a certificate as soon as possible. That wraps up our training on handling missing sacramental records. If you need help, you'll find links to resources, including witness affidavit templates, in the video description. Our email is listed there too if you have any questions. In the next video, we'll walk through how to create name indexes for sacramental registers. See you there.